Have you run into this problem in Figma? You make a clock, you have all of the faces rotating, and you add animations on delay, rotate to the next one, and then animate using linear. This should be going around in circles, but it just stays put. Well, one of the problems that Figma has is that it doesn't register the rotation of the component itself. So you need to put that component in a frame and then rotate the parts inside and not the actual component. And then I'm going to make a copy of this, detach it from the instance, and then I'm going to make a frame. I'm going to make a rectangle, and I am going to put this whole thing inside the rectangle. I'm going to make the rectangle invisible, fill 0. So we have the circle still, and I'm going to actually center everything. Center. Okay, so now it's in the center and it's in this box. I'm going to make the box the component. So let's get rid of this just to get it out of our way. I'm going to take this whole box, make this whole box a component, Command Option K, and then I'm going to make an instance of the component. Click on this little add variant, not an instance, sorry, a variant, and I'm going to add 4 more. And now, instead of rotating this whole box, I'm going to rotate the circle within. So the first one will be -90. Oh, sorry, the second one, I mean. -90. This one will be 180. And this one will be 90. Okay, so just the circle, not the square. The square has no rotation on it whatsoever. It's just the things inside. And now what I can do is wire this back up. So this component, I should probably name things better first. Let's be good and name stuff. We're going to call it clock test 2. And I'm going to name each one of the things in there 0, 15, 30, and 45. Okay. And now I'm going to wire them up. So click that guy, add an interaction on delay. I'm going to have 1 millisecond for the delay, but then the animation is going to be a smart animation that's linear so that it will smoothly transition from one to the next. All right. I'll do 499 just to make things add up. So basically 1 millisecond plus 499 milliseconds. I'm just going to do 500 milliseconds for now. And then I do the same thing to this one, this one, this one, and then this one goes back up to the top. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to pause this so you're not bored. All right, I'm back and I have wired all these up. So this one is on delay. It will change to 15 over 499 milliseconds using linear smart animation. Same thing here, and same thing here. This goes back up to number 1. All right, now that is wired and only the inside of the component is rotating, not the actual component itself, this should theoretically work. Yes, it is called component 3. Okay, so here's my clock. Let's cross our fingers. All right. Whoop, it got stuck. I probably just forgot something or made it looks like maybe 5,000, but you get the idea. It is, it's working. 45. Yep, there it is. 499. Cool. So there you have it. A rotating clock. So this can apply to basically any animation that you want to rotate, just remember to keep it in a static box and rotate the things inside. All right, thank you.